movement from our kicking stance. Pushing off, getting that chamber position, and we'll just do 10 on each side.
Which one am I doing, sir?
Let's go roundhouse kick. 10 on each side. So just from there, now that we've got the bands out of the way, making that same chamber position, exploding into our kick. We'll just go about chest high. Hey! Good, good. Hey! Nice. Relax. Hey! That's it. Hey! There we go. If you can, knee up just a little bit higher before you pivot. Like that. Like that. There we go. Hey! That's it. Good. So up and turn just a little bit. Hey! There we go. And try to smooth it out a little bit more if you can. Down. Like that. Like that. There we go. I like that sound. Boom. Like that. Couple more and we'll switch side. Hey! That's it. That's it. All into the chest. Pull to the chest. Hey! Like that. Awesome. Awesome. Hey! There we go. Good. Nice. Hey! Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Really pull it to your chest as much as you can. Hey! Yes. Like that. Love that sound. Hey! Like that. Yes. 3 more like that. 3 more like that sound.